Okay guys, welcome again. Alright, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to create this motion graphic grid. So what you're going to want to do is drop down a grid node, dive in, set the rows and columns to 32, and set the size to, don't do whatever I just did there. Set the size to 4 by 4 and drop down an attribute noise node, make that visible, scroll down on animation, tick on animate noise, attribute class as primitive, the noise type to Manhattan F2, set the amplitude to 2.3 and drop down a poly extrude, make that visible, divide into individual elements, go to the local control tab and tick on distance scale, not division scale, and type in capital C, lowercase d, go up a bit and set the distance to like 0.1 or however you really want it, and you'll have an effect like that. Thank you for watching, and go watch another video if you want to learn some more. Peace.